Hi, I'm a lumberjack. I know, I don't look like a traditional lumberjack. These are actually crepes. And this is my Worx JawSaw, the perfect tool for pruning, trimming, and everyday lumberjacking. Say goodbye to that old bar and chain. And hello to the JawSaw's enclosed blade design that ensures a safe, smooth cut every time. It's like bowling with bumper lanes. All the fun, none of the danger. Traditional chainsaws are great for big jobs. But big jobs are few and far between for your average jack, and those chainsaws come with risks. Kickbacks, exposed chains, carpal tunnel. Ow, 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 ow. Oof. I'll take comfort with a side order of safety, please. The JawSaw's compact design weighs less than a gallon of syrup, and the blade and chain completely retract when not in use. So you're never leaving an unguarded chainsaw around, whether you need to conquer citrus trees, gangly limbs, or bamboo. Stop beating around the bush. Click the link and go to JawSaw.com today. Post-storm debris? Not a problem. Watch this plunge cut. The JawSaw allows for easy cutting directly on the ground. So getting rid of debris is a debris. Thanks to JawSaw's cutting-edge teeth, you'll always be able to get a grip. Plus, the JawSaw has an innovative auto-tension feature, automatic chain oiler, oil level indicator, and a chain speed of 1350 RPMs. You can even get an extension pole for hard-to-reach branches. Can your chainsaw do that?
Give me 20 minutes and a roll of duct tape.
No more clearing out the family while you're doing yard work.
Everybody get back! Daddy's sawing!
There's never been a saw this safe, powerful, and versatile. Use the JawSaw for fall cleanup, getting ready for the holidays, mourning the end of the holidays, and keeping your yard kept all year round. Mwah. The JawSaw is powered by the same PowerShare batteries as all the other yard and power tools in the brand. No cords, no gas, no hass.
Hey, where can I get one?
Go to JawSaw.com. With a 3-year warranty and a 30-day guarantee, the JawSaw is the safest, smartest purchase you can make. Just click the link below, go to JawSaw.com, and be the best backyard lumberjack you can be.